Is your wallet always running on empty? Ever feel like your money just disappears? Well, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 tiny habits that'll save you big money every single day without giving up the stuff you love. First up, ditch those overpriced drinks. Think about it. That daily fancy coffee or sugary soda, it adds up fast. But making your own coffee or tea at home takes just minutes, and if you carry a water bottle, that's basically free. Seriously, drink smart, save more. Now, habit 2, become a lunch packing legend. Buying lunch every day, huge money leak. But bringing food from home, maybe leftovers, maybe something simple, can save you a ton, and it's way healthier. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Third habit, quick meal planning. Ever open the fridge and see only wilted veggies? Or go to the store hungry and impulse buy random snacks? Just take a moment to plan a few meals and make a quick shopping list. You'll waste less food and cut those sneaky extra expenses. Fourth, let's talk about those invisible spendings. Tiny payments, daily snacks, random subscriptions. They slip away without you noticing. Use a simple budgeting app for a week. Just seeing where your cash goes helps you cut back, pain-free. And last, find the fun in free. Entertainment doesn't have to cost a bomb. Check out local events, hang out at parks, hit the library, or just chill with friends at home. Free fun equals extra savings in your pocket. So here's the deal. DIY drinks, packed lunches, simple meal plans, tracking tiny spends, and free fun. Each habit is small, but together, massive savings, maybe hundreds, even thousands, ready for your goals or your next big dream. Got your own money-saving hack? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, smash like and subscribe for more smart hacks. See you in the next one.